Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, how to access the members of another class in Java. Let me answer. In order to access the members, that is variables and methods of another class in Java, first we have to create an object for that particular class in which the members are available, the variables and methods are available. For that class, we need to create an object, and using the object reference, we can access these members. That is one way. Or there is another way, guys, where we can make the members of the another class as static. Okay, we can provide the static keyword before the members of another class, like static variable, static method inside that class, and outside the class we can access them by using the class name in which the members are available. Okay, these are the two ways generally we use in Java for accessing the members of another class, guys. First one, by creating an object for the other this class in which the members are available, and by using the object reference, we can access them. Or the other way is that if you don't want to create an object, we can make these members as static, and by using their class name, we can access them outside the class. Okay, so let me practically demonstrate this one for you so that you will be able to understand the answer for this question in a better way. That is how to access the members of another class in Java. Any of these ways we can follow. I'll show one by one way. Okay. First way, I'll create a class. Okay. I'll just name this class as, sample A class. Sample A, just giving some random name. Sample A is the name of the class I'm giving. Click on finish. And inside this, I'll create a variable. Okay, so int a is a variable, and I'll create a method, public void method a is a method name. Okay, I'll just create a print statement here, system.out, just for sample. Inside method a, like this. Okay, a variable and a method. Save this, class, variable, and a method. Fine, all good. Okay, now I'll create another class, say demo class, with main method, or I'll just say demo A, click on finish. So fine, another class I created. So now from another class, as you can see here, as the question speaks here, the same thing, right? How to access the members of another class in Java. Here another class is nothing but sample A class. Sample A class has this variable and method that I want to access outside this class. Okay. So in the demo class, I would like to access the members of another class. That is this variable and method I would like to access here. How to access? First way is by creating an object for this class and using the object reference, we can access the variable and method of this class. That is the first way, right? Let's try that out. New, how to create an object using the new keyword, sample A. Okay. And SA is equal to, and here I'll say sample A. I'll just simply say sample A. SA dot, you say I can access the variable of this particular another class. Okay. In this class, I'm accessing the variable and method of another class by creating an object and using the object reference. SA is equal to 10. I can access. Similarly, if I want to call this method, let's say, okay, by accessing this method outside this class, I already have created the object for this class, and by simply writing SA dot method A. This is one way. Okay. By creating an object for this particular class and using the object reference of the class, we can access the members of the another class. That is the one way. Okay. Or there's another way. Okay. What is another way? If I don't want to create an object reference and still want to access this variable and method, okay. If I don't want to create an object reference, what we can do is we can make this variable as static and this method also as static. Okay. Now, once I make them static, they belong to the class memory. Okay. So I don't have to create an object, and using object reference, I don't have to access this variable and method. Since they are static type now, I can simply access them using the class. sample A dot, you see A direct with help of class name sample A dot static, because now it's static. Earlier it was not static, is equal to 10. This is one way. And if I have to call this method by accessing sample A dot method A, that's it. Done, guys. Okay, that's it, done. Save this. Sample A dot A is equal to 10, sample A dot method A access. Either by creating an object, by creating an object is one way, and using the object reference, we can access the variable and method if they are not static. This variable and method are not static, then that is one way. Or we can make this variable and the method inside this another class static, and by using the class name, we can access. So these are the two ways, okay? How to access the members of another class in Java. These are the two ways: by creating an object or by making those members in the other class static, and by using the class name, we can access them, okay? So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.